So, maybe you're a little like me. I did a really good job over the holidays staying within my budget, but then I got this unexpected expense. Definitely had planned for the holidays, but not that expense. Well, in case you didn't know, we may have a great option for that. That's right, you may be in a situation where you have an unexpected expense that's a little bit more than you had budgeted for, and wow, at 20%, 22% interest rate on the credit card, I really don't want to put it on the credit card. But if you own your home and have some equity in your home, we may have an excellent HELOC program that can work for you. That's right, it's a HELOC program that can close quickly and the expenses are very low. So, we've actually closed these in as little as 5 days. Needing a new roof? Maybe that'll keep your insurance costs down. Maybe it's repairs on the car. Or maybe you're just ready to do that remodeling job. Reach out to me today. This could be the perfect option for you. A quick closing HELOC loan, closing in as little as 5 days with very little cost. Reach out to me today. Let's see if that works for you.